This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, custom-built Gulf access home is conveniently located in the heart of the bustling Bayshore Arts District, perfectly situated for one to enjoy Naples' famous sunset on a nightly basis. With a 10,000-pound boat lift that will accommodate up to a 30-foot vessel residing on a deep water bay, one will be able to enjoy Southwest Florida's boating lifestyle to the fullest. All this, plus you are just minutes from Naples' prestigious beaches and downtown Fifth Avenue.